Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your RBS mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your RBS mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in www.rbs.co.uk and make a search. The official page of RBS mortgage account will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, choose how would you like to log in. You can either use your customer number or your card number as well. Here I'm gonna go with customer number. Enter your date of birth followed by your unique identification number and tap on Continue. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. On the next page, enter your following numbers from your security number along with the characters from your password and click on Next. In case if you don't remember your security number or password, click on the link that says Forgotten your security number or password. This is how you can log into your RBS mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.